This week's video is gonna be a travel one. We visited a lake at 5 o'clock in the morning. So that means before sunrise, so I'm gonna call it dawn adventure. So we went there and it was pretty spooky, and the idea was to make a parody of ghost hunters making fun of them basically. It turned out well. So the accent is pretty creepy, so please bear with it and hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Thank you. See ya! Here we are at Kukarhalli Lake to hunt some ghost. This is Mr. Paniraj, specialist in...
Wrong.
Oh, sorry, Prajwal. He has been an expert in... Hey, it's not recording.
It's a recording.
No.
He has been an expert in hunting ghosts since the age of 3. And this is Paniraj. He records the time when ghosts are being recorded.
And me?
You are the cameraman. You? Newscaster. Right now we are uneducated, so we cannot read this. As you can see here, the lake. People have been telling ghosts sit on the crocodile and travel from one place to the other. So we 4 over here, Mr. Cameraman Suraj, and where's Mr. Prajwal? He's hiding, he's very scared. Look, he's very scared. Don't worry, Mr. Prajwal, we'll be fine. And Mr. Paniraj is having fun with his iPhone. We all are dedicated people, you can see all.
I can say something there. Hey,
Whoa, we gotta go back, man. I don't want to do this. As you can see, the heads of crocodile. Cameraman, zoom in. Zoom.
Can't see, can't focus.
Switch on this light. We are gonna find the ghost no matter the crocodiles, snakes or anything. Come on, let's have a peep. I don't think so. This place is haunted. I can't see any ghosts over here. As you can see, Mr. Paniraj is going for a nature's call. He's scared. It's completely deserted, you know. These people are scared. That's why he's not saying anything. As you can hear that sound. You may be thinking that's a cricket. It's not a cricket. It's a ghost. Trust me. Look how happy I am on this expedition. We all are happy on this expedition. We are going to get paid in lakhs for this. We, the human race, also known as Homo sapiens in science. And for ghost, what name do we have? Homo sapiens? Or Ghost sapiens? Ghost sapiens. So, this race is known as Ghost sapiens according to science. But we are going to discover what else do they have. Do they have a body like us? People say that they are just like a force of light. They just come and attack.
You can see some boat here, Sarosh. You can see some boat here. Oh, hold on.
This boat was used by a group of pirates, but now they are dead. So they use it as a ghost. This boat can go on land also, you know. If you sell this in the market, it'll go for 1 crore. So what do you say, guys? We sell this boat? We'll share 1 crore. No need to study, huh? No need to go to college or all. Sell this boat, earn 1 crore, take iPhone 5, take Ducati, whatever is there you can take. Undergarment was used by a gentleman, but that gentleman is no more, as we know. That's why his undergarment is hanging. If we sell this undergarment in a museum, we can earn 2 crores. I'm sorry I'm talking about money, but still, if you sell this, you'll get 2 crores. Just imagine who was wearing this undergarment. We are going to find out in 2 minutes. This piece of iron was used as an anchor by our fellow mate ghosts. We are very tired. We have been walking for the past 1 minute. You know how hard it is to walk for 1 minute? We work for 1 minute and we sleep for 4 hours.
Sarosh, there's something behind you.
It's break time. Please don't disturb us.
It's calling you.
No problem. I want to sleep. As Mr. Paniraj heard a voice, we have to discover what it is. No time for breaks and all. We are professionals.
Okay,
Let's go
Sarosh.
inside. Oh, we can't. There's a fence.
Climb over. Climb
No,
over.
sorry. We follow the rules, you know. We are really good guys.
Climb over.
The ghost is catching me. I cannot climb this. As you can see, I'm using the iPhone 5. I'm giving advertisement of the iPhone 5. Use iPhone 5. If you don't have an iPhone 5, you don't have a phone. As you can see, we cannot find any ghost over here. We have been wasting our time.
Sarosh, what's the time now?
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's the time to sleep. Why are we here? My friend Paniraj must be cursing our friend Suraj who's shooting this video right now. We could have slept at this time. What's the point of coming? Aram se you could have slept and come in the morning. As we have not been seeing any ghosts, I decided to borrow my friend's iPhone and play Temple Run. Because you can see real ghosts in this, you know. All you have to do is swipe them. Wait. You see these black people over here? They are the proper ghosts.
But Sarosh, I heard that many people suicided here.
Adu ella bedappa, Temple Run ide saku namge.
Now we'll go for our Prajal. What do you want to say about the suicides in this place?
I heard it from many guys, but I don't believe it.
Yeah, you don't believe the suicides? Or you don't believe in ghosts?
Adu bedappa savasidu.
We left our camera. Yeah, we left a crew member now. This idiot is taking pictures and we are worried about it.
He's worried about the sunset.
See, we, the people of this place, are not worried about ghosts. All we want is iPhone 5, Instagram, Facebook. We want to take pictures so that we can be famous among our friends, so that we can get 100 likes. Screw the ghosts.
Millions.
As you can listen to the sound, you may be thinking they are the sounds of birds or angry birds, but no. That's a baby of a ghost. As you can see the stones, they are white in color. Nowadays we use Fair and Lovely, Fair and Handsome. These people used to use white stones to make their faces white. We showed you a boathouse. That boathouse starts, that's the main entrance of Kukuhalu. But this boathouse is where the ghosts stop and have some food or lunch. There are no boats over here because all the ghosts have been gone for expedition. I'm sorry, it's a temple. Look. A cross sign.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. As you can see that house, that's where the ghosts stay for shelter. They come to 4 mega stores, they come to Big Bazaar for shopping and all, but we cannot see them. They still pay the money and we can see in the bills. All this video was shot by Mr. Director Suraj. Our script was not prepared, but still, the video is going good. And I'm very sorry for not showing you any ghost till now. He is the #1 ghost. His name is Suraj Ahmed. Look at him closely. Say hello to the world, Mr. Suraj. Say something! As you can see, the ghost is not ready to say anything. As you can see, our director Saab, Mr. Suraj, is going to take a piss. Mr. Suraj, since how long have you been holding a piss? Tell the audience, they would like to know.
2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours? How does it feel to hold the piss? Are these the toilets used by ghosts? Look, because I can see a closet over there from Hindware. Alright, Mr. Suraj, see you after a piss. As you can see, we were shooting for since 17 minutes. Now it's time to go home because everyone is here for jogging. And photo enthusiast Mr. Paniraj, who shoots with iPhone 5, is taking some great pictures. He's shooting in panorama mode. Hey, that's a crocodile, what? As we're getting bored, so we decided to throw some stones. Wow. Let's see who's gonna throw better. Shoot! Mr. Suraj, shoot! Fast, there's no... Wow, so the winner is Mr. Paniraj. As you can see, this bird, it's blue in color. It looks like it's tamed by the ghosts. It has a white color feather on the back.